forward on the board. Gets to the end of the board and just he springs up higher than the level that he was on. And we got to understand, we take the stance in the church of coming in normality. Let me slow this thing down. We take the position when we come to church of simply entering into church as we are. But God, through David, said to us, enter into his gates with thanksgiving. He said, when you leave your house, you got to leave with an attitude of gratitude. You can't come in and of yourself and expect the move of my spirit in your experience. But if you get an attitude adjustment, and when you come to the house of God, if you elevate your mind, hallelujah, before your spirit can rise, your mind got to change.